Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for the range of opportunities and career tips. So today we have come up with very big opportunities and one of the best opportunity I would say in tech, analytics and beyond. This update is for BI and data analytics professionals at PwC's because PwC is hiring for the position of BI engineer at their Bangalore office. Let's break down this opportunity into simple terms from skills and eligibility requirement to how you can apply and many more. So now let's dive into the job details. So first let's understand about the PwC and this role. So PwC sort of Price Waterhouse Coopers basically is one of the big four consulting giants, and their managed service division is hiring for the data analytics and insights team. The role is of BI engineer and Power BI specialist, and company's PwC location is Bangalore, as I already mentioned, and experience required is 0.6 months to 2 years. So even a freshers with good internship experience can apply for these opportunities. So basically, what you will be doing at these wonderful opportunities, I mean, especially the roles and responsibilities at this wonderful organization. So you'll be basically involved into, as you can see, they have mentioned so many things over here. So these are the kind of skills and these are the job descriptions, and here you will be doing the responsibilities and all that. So as a BI engineer at PwC, you will be involved into solving real business problems using data analytics and BI tools, reviewing tickets, maintaining quality deliverables, and reporting project status, working with SLAs, incident change, problem management, participating in cross-functional client engagements, leading and managing parts of BI projects. In short, you will be turning raw data into real insights using Power BI, Excel, and Tableau, and many more. So these are the kind of responsibilities that you'll be performing at PwC as BI engineer. So now let's understand. Okay, so as you can see, they have mentioned the required skills, everything over here, that what are the minimum requirements and the required skills. So you must have the primary skill is Tableau, Excel, Power BI. Secondary skill also they have mentioned, which is again a bonus, but not required. So secondary skill is here you can see, right? Power BI, Quick, Cognos, SQL, Python, Excel macros, Advanced Excel, etc. And technical know-how is also they have mentioned that if you know, that will be again be great, which is data governance, lineage, metadata, data quality, ETL pipelines, data ingestions and integrations. Along with that, experience with managed service analytics programs or services, data security and scalable BI model design. Eligibility and education requirement is like you must have a bachelor degree, as you can see they have mentioned over here. So bachelor degree in computer science related field, and experience they have mentioned is 1 year hands-on experience or 1 year or above. But even if you have 6 months of experience, I think they will consider that. 1 year to 2 year, I think they have mentioned, not above 1 year. Managed service experience preferred. Hands-on with Power BI, Tableau dashboards and visualizations. If you have hands-on experience on making dashboards in Power BI and Tableau, then it will be preferred. Nice to have skills. Also, they have mentioned that Power BI, Tableau certifications, again it will be preferred. Certification in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP again is will be given preferences. And knowledge of data operations, governance, and compliance frameworks is again will add weightage to your profile. So why want to join PwC Managed Services? So PwC's data analytics and insight team helps companies scale their operations using world-class analytics and cloud tools. So here's what you are gonna get: exposure to real enterprise-level analytics, working with global clients, learning and growing with structured mentorship and cross-functional collaboration, and learn and grow with structure. Along with that, will also be a part of a future-ready analytics team focused on automations, cost efficiency, and scale. So how you can apply? Just head to the link in description. We have mentioned direct link for this job, and apply as soon as possible to avoid any deadline. And yeah, that's it for these wonderful opportunities. If the portfolio has dashboard link, then attach to your resume. And if you have done any other project, you can attach that as well. And yeah, that's it for this wonderful opportunity. I wish you all the best for your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.